welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below, turning on your post notifications and hashtagging Reesie Gang down in the comment section below. And if you're OG, welcome back, babe. I have another hair video for you guys. So I am partnering up today with Unice Hair. I'm super excited because I wanted to try this look again. If you haven't seen my other video, I didn't do like a proper tutorial, and I've been wanting to do a proper tutorial for the longest. So thank you so much, Unice, for sponsoring this video today. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do some ashy blonde highlights using very minimal products, and just, you know, my tips and tricks, all that. So if you're wondering how I customized this wig, then stay tuned. Bye.
Lacey, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
Alrighty, before we get started, I wanted to show you what was in the box for Unice. I absolutely love the quality of Unice Hair. I grew up as a customer back in the day buying Unice wigs, so it's super exciting to be working with them. As you can see, they gifted me with an elastic band and another goodie bag. So in the goodie bag is a wig cap, eyelashes, nail decal, and also a head wrap. So I love Unice branding. They've definitely put a lot of thought into their wigs and the boxes. So as you can see, this wig is already highlighted, 26 inches, 13 by 6 lace wig. It's highlighted auburn with blonde highlights, but we are going to process this wig again. The unit or the lace still has a little bit of knots to it, so we will have to bleach the knots. As you can see, adjustable straps, combs, all of that. And the unit is, I believe, 26 inches, very thick. So I'm super excited to start this tutorial. So get your notepad and your pen, girl. We're about to get started. Alrighty, you guys. So what I like to do first before bleaching hair is applying the wig on my head first, measuring it out, making sure the ears are there, it's not uneven. So it looks very good, as you can see. And now I'm going to part a middle part. You can part it however you like, but just make sure you have your hair parted first so you can see where you want to bleach your hair. I'm using a hot comb just to lay this wig down. There was a lot of flyaways within this wig. So now what I'm going to do is pick out the blonde pieces. As you can see, I'm picking out the blonde pieces and putting them together. And what this is going to do is help me or show me how I'm going to re-bleach these blonde pieces. Does that make sense? We re-bleaching these blonde pieces because I wanted a nice blonde color, and then we're going to tone the hair. So I want it very ashy, very silvery, because, you know, ashy colors on brown skin is just bomb. So as you can see, I'm just picking out the blonde pieces. If you get a little bit of the brown pieces, don't worry. If you bleach the brown pieces, they're not going to be as blonde as the blonde pieces, so it's still going to look very highlighted. Then I'm just going to braid that up to signify that I am bleaching that braid. And then I keep just going, and there's a blonde patch near my ear. So what I'm doing is taking out a little bit of the brown so we're not dyeing that whole chunk, and then just braiding it up. And then I do the same thing on the other side. Don't worry about the pieces in the back. What I like to do is put the wig on the wig head once I'm done, and then braiding the blonde pieces in the back of my head because I can't see the back while I'm sitting down.
You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Late o'clock, body talk, there's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better.
So step 1 wasn't that hard, right? Step 2 might be a little bit more challenging, so definitely pay attention. So as you can see, I'm putting a trash bag over my wig head. We're gonna bleach the knots first. So that's why I'm putting this wig inside out. Today we are using aluminum foil. What I like to do is separate the aluminum foil into some pieces. I do as much as I can, maybe 10 pieces. Put that on the side. So I like to set up my workstation first so it won't be as hard when I'm working with bleach. Get some gloves because that bleach can burn your skin, you guys. So be careful, wear clothes that will not bleach your clothes or that you don't care about. So I'm using 40 volume developer and BW2. I'm using a plastic knife. This actually helps not over bleach the hair, if that makes sense. So it'll just lay the bleach on top. I did make the bleach into like a toothpaste type of texture, so it's not super watery, so it won't like seep through the frontal. Then I am putting the hair regular or the wig regular. Get your makeup wipes on hand and just go in and clean up any of the hair that got some bleach on it so the parts won't get bleached. Once we do that, you guys, prepare to have a bowl of bleach, 40 volume developer and BW2. It can be a little bit watery. I used 3 cups of the bleach, and then I didn't measure the 40 volume developer, but I just used 1 bowl and it was enough to highlight the whole wig. So as you can see, I'm not using a brush. You should use a brush, but I'm not using a brush. I'm just using my hand to apply the bleach and just finger comb through with the bleach, and then apply more bleach onto the foil with the hair, fold it up, and then move on to another section. I do unbraid the sections and just apply the bleach. Right here, I am braiding all the hair that I don't want to bleach, if that makes sense. So the smaller braids are to bleach, the bigger braids are not to bleach. So as you can see, I'm just repeating the process to each strand. And that is basically it. I actually let this bleach sit on for about 30 minutes. The hair turns very fast, so definitely keep an eye out on it. So today we are using Shimmer Light's conditioner. I actually soak this purple conditioner into this unit and let it sit for about an hour. It turned the hair very silver. It definitely toned the hair quickly. My advice for doing this step, or what, just basically conditioning the hair, condition it twice, maybe add a mask. I did add a curly hair mask to this unit and it reverted back to normal. It's beautiful, so beautiful. So just make sure you add like a hair mask and deep condition this unit, because you did double process this unit and it can get very brittle for the hair. So definitely add a mask. I'll have all the products that I used on this unit linked down below. Alright Alright, you guys, this is the hair the next day. It's still a little damp. This hair is very, very thick, so it might take 2 days to dry. I did blow dry the hair for the next day because I did want to see how the unit looks on me. So as you can see, I'm using Ghost Bond and we're going to apply this wig. I'm doing 2 rounds on this wig. One thing about this unit, it is for smaller heads. I didn't cut too much lace off of this unit, so that means for my big head friendly ladies, it might be a little bit too small for you. Definitely contact Unice to see if they have bigger units. This is definitely a small unit. So while I lay my lace, I like to just go in, blow dry, add my little wax stick, and just lay this hair as flat as possible. Everything will be linked down below. The hair looks so good, you guys. I'm using Kendra Boutique's hot comb. This comb gets so hot. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. So I just run that through and it definitely calmed down the hair. The hair is super thick. I keep telling you that. So you definitely need to add some love to this unit. Have some patience with this unit. And then as you can see, I parted my baby hairs that I want down already, braided it up, adding a little bit of powder on that frontal, and then I'm gonna go in and just start plucking this unit because I did not pluck this unit. I do very light strokes. I spent maybe 30 minutes to an hour just plucking that little frontal, just like that. I take my time so there's no, any holes that I create in the frontal. You can definitely do this off of your unit. I have another video of me just doing it, plucking my unit off my head, but this unit's so light that I needed to see it on my actual scalp to see how it's gonna look. So we are using Wig Dealer Melting Hairspray. I love adding this step to my unit because this will help melt the lace into your scalp to look like it is growing out your scalp, girl. Highly recommend. I bought like 3 of these bottles, so you will see me use it every single video. So I just go back with my elastic band just to lay that back down. And then once it's ready, I get my makeup wipe and just clean up any harsh residue that I might have seen. Then unbraid my baby hairs. Then I'm going to run a hot comb through my baby hairs as well. Use a makeup wipe if the spray made the hairs very stiff. Then I go in with my tweezers to pluck some more and thin out the baby hairs. And then I like to use an eyebrow razor to just cut the baby hairs. I actually love how I laid my baby hair, so that's why I'm showing this step in the video. So basically I just swoop them down. I try not to put baby hairs in the front, just on the side of my head, and I think it just looks way better. So I just swoop that down. All the products will be listed down below if you're wondering what products I'm using. I'm getting really good at these baby hairs, you guys. I'm super proud of myself. A lot of people come for me for my baby hairs, so bullying works. So once I laid my edges, I went in and added some curls to this unit. I'm using a 1/2 inch curling barrel, and this is how the hair looks. That's how long it is on me. Very, very long, very beautiful. I finger comb through the hair and add layers with my eyebrow razor. The hair does look a little bit dry, but after this video, I actually took off this wig and added a hair mask, a very, very heavy curly hair mask, and the unit actually revived. So I definitely will link that down below. The hair is doing amazing. Follow me on Instagram to see updates. All right, you guys, that is basically how I make these ashy blonde highlights. I definitely highly recommend getting a already highlighted wig and then just bleaching over it, because you will have to process this 2 times, as well as the hair color is more of an auburn. A lot of wigs do come out with a natural black, so you will have to dye like the whole thing. So in order for it to be just more easier and simple, definitely invest in a highlighted wig already, a very good quality one, and then processing it over again and just toning it, and that's how you get the very ashy highlights. I really love this look on me. I'm super excited to just rock it out and show you know, some pictures on Instagram. So that's basically it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.